realm of riddles.
One peaceful evening in a parallel dimension, Isaac Newton is sitting under a tree. Suddenly, an apple falls on his head, knocking him out cold. You notice something special about the apple, and forget to help out Isaac. You pick up the apple and notice there are worms inside of it. One of the worms suddenly speaks.
All the worms in this apple have their heads and tails coming out of the apple, but there's one more worm tail coming out of the apple than there are heads coming out. How is that possible?
Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. Hopefully, you were attentive enough to notice the massive nuclear plant in the background. As stated, this is a parallel dimension where nuclear plants. And Isaac, well, before he got struck, Isaac Newton coexist. Some of the worms have mutated due to the present radioactivity, and one of the worms inside of the apple actually has two tails. You end the day happy to have solved the riddle, and give Isaac Newton a proper burial.